Good day, everyone. Jewel here with the weather for you today with J7409 Weather. Let me tell you what, before I even turn this on, well, let's go ahead and turn it on and let it loop around. You can see the timestamps for the different areas here. We've got a lot going on, folks, a whole lot going on. We've got severe weather today. We've got snow coming, as you see, for many of us. And Florida, by Tuesday or Wednesday, it's going to get cold for you folks. I'm talking cold. A lot colder than you're used to. So please stick around and check all this out with me. Now, if you haven't subscribed, I would like to ask you to please do so. Click subscribe, click the bell, and then check off all to ensure you get all my latest videos as I put them out. Once again, as you can see, as time marches on, snow, Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Michigan, parts of New York. Snow is coming. Prepare for it. I cannot stress enough the cold temperatures that are coming. Now, this is wind chill. It's going to get very breezy, folks, very breezy for a lot of us. Now, I want you to look at these temperatures. You see a timestamp right up here? I'm going to move along a little bit here now. Watch that cold air coming down from Canada. My goodness, it is cold. Look at these temperatures. 29 in Texas right here, 32 over here. Look at this, look at this. Florida. Up the East Coast, we're going to be feeling it too by Tuesday or Wednesday, possibly Thursday. Look at here. Here it comes. The second blast of cold that's going to come down and affect everybody. In Florida, look at here. 70 down in southern Florida. Up in the Panhandle, 45. It's going to get cold for you folks. Now, this has moved up too far. I don't want it that far. Let's move it over some. Let's go back a little bit. I want you guys to see this in its detail. This here we are up to Wednesday. Look at these temperatures, folks. We'll move it over one more for Wednesday morning. Look at this. 37. We got 40. It's cold, cold, cold. This is the wind chill, folks, and it's probably going to even be a little cooler than what this map is showing. Look at this, 34, 39, 35, all the way down to Miami. You're in the 60s. It's going to get cold. So far as the severe weather going for today, we've got plenty of it, folks. Now, all the way from Louisiana, Florida, Georgia, a little bit of Alabama, coastlines, and a little inland of South and North Carolina. Probably tonight, maybe midnight or after for North and South Carolina, but during the day, these areas here, it's looking like isolated, strong, and severe storms are possible. They're going to probably happen across the southern parts of the Gulf Coast states into the eastern Carolinas, and these storms will be capable of producing tornadoes, possibly with very gusty winds at times. No hail. No hail, but it's just going to be a mess if you're out and about. This is the chance of the tornadoes. Where the brown is, it's 5%. Good chance of tornadoes that could come along with these storms. And so far as the wind, 5% in all the areas also. Very hazardous weather outlook for Martin, Pitt, Washington, Terrell, Mainland, Dare, Greene, Beaufort, Mainland High, Duplin, Lenoir, Jones, Pamlico, Northern Craven, and Southern Craven Inland and Onslow counties. Today and tonight, this strong low pressure, which I'm going to show you momentarily, It's going to move through the area tonight and tomorrow, and it's going to bring the chance for very severe thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts and isolated tornadoes possible, as well as the heavy rain and strong winds. Then, tomorrow through day 7, Monday through Saturday, strong low pressure system's going to move. It's going to intensify, folks, and it's going to move through the area tonight and tomorrow, and it's bringing with it that chance of severe thunderstorms with heavy damaging wind gusts, isolated tornadoes, and heavy rain and strong winds. If you are in Chowan County, you see all the counties right up in this area here. Be aware, the hazardous weather outlook is for northeast North Carolina, eastern Virginia, and southeast Virginia. Now, it's looking like, once again, just as for the other areas, this low is going to intensify while it moves northeast of the area during tomorrow. Now, tonight we do have that chance of thunderstorms for you guys with the rain and the thunderstorms late tonight. But tomorrow through next Saturday, especially late, I'd say after midnight tonight through all day tomorrow, these thunderstorms will be possible through tomorrow afternoon for you guys. Moderate to locally heavy rain, and they could be very severe with damaging winds as the main threat. But even after the showers and storms clear out Monday afternoon, it's going to be windy. Your wind gusts are going to be 30 to 40 miles per hour possible across this area through Monday night. For the Tampa area, Tampa, Florida, and across southwest Florida, listen to this. Thunderstorm impact late overnight tonight through Monday early afternoon. Thunderstorms are expected. Thunderstorms will be capable of strong to isolated damaging winds, locally heavy rains, frequent deadly lightning strikes, and a tornado or waterspout cannot be ruled out, especially across the Nature Coast. Excessive cold. I keep telling you folks in Florida, by Wednesday, freezing or near freezing temperatures will be possible across the Nature Coast. Most other locations will fall into the upper 30s to lower 40s, and it will be a very chilly afternoon by Tuesday as well. Make sure to dress in layers to protect yourself from the cold. You guys aren't used to it. Here's a good example. Miami. You're going to have a high of 69 degrees. Tuesday night, a low of 56. Move up to the middle portion of the state and Sebring. Tuesday, your high should be 60. Your low Tuesday night should be 39 degrees. As we take a look at the NDFD map, you can see for Sunday right here now all of the heavy rain. And where these little red lines go through, folks, that means a chance of very severe thunderstorms. These are going to be capable of producing tornadoes. You guys need to look out. So I'll let this just loop through and tell you what's going on. Moderate to heavy rain's going to spread from the deep south to the entire east coast over the next couple of days with severe thunderstorms, possibly tornadoes, across the southeast and mid-Atlantic coast. Now, we do have this snow. Accumulating snow is expected for parts of the Ohio Valley into the central and southern Appalachians later Monday into Tuesday. We also have an elevated fire weather risk that's going to continue for Southern California. This intensifying low-pressure system, it's going to take center stage across the Deep South for the remainder of the time now, and heavy rain and thunderstorms triggered along a stall front will begin to expand eastward from the Texas coast to much of the lower Mississippi Valley today as this low-pressure center develops in the northwestern Gulf of Mexico and moves toward the northeast. Now, the low will then move onshore and spread moderate to heavy rain rapidly into the eastern United States on Monday. Now, this system, as it strengthens considerably and tracks along the Appalachians, is going to be bringing heavy rain and thunderstorms. They're going to sweep across the southeast and the Florida peninsula Monday ahead of the strong cold front where severe thunderstorms are possible. In addition, this system's going to draw all of this cold air from Canada on its backside and bring accumulating snows for parts of the Ohio Valley into the central and southern Appalachians later Monday into Tuesday. Once the rain stops, for everyone who gets these severe storms, the cold is going to start shortly after. Meanwhile, we got another wave of moisture that looks like it's going to reach the Pacific Northwest later today, well ahead of an approaching frontal system. Now, rain and wind will be on the increase near the coast, while snow is forecast to reach into the interior mountains today and into Monday as this front arrives. By Tuesday morning, some of the snow should move into the central Rockies. The remainder of the West will remain relatively quiet for the next couple of days. Nevertheless, the fire risk will remain elevated for much of the coastal ranges of Southern California through Monday under this continued dry and breezy wind conditions that you're having from the north and the northeast. Folks, get right. A lot of you are going to be getting snow from portions of Tennessee. A lot of this will be mixed. It will be mixed where you see that purple going through. That's going to be snow and rain and ice pellets. The blue, of course, is just the snow, with the heaviest snow looking like it's going to be in parts of Ohio, West Virginia, and also in Pennsylvania. Severe storms. Look out. As the day marches on, these are going to move across. And for the eastern portion, the Carolinas over in here, look for it late tonight, maybe midnight or after, and it should be blowing through our areas. And that's a check of your weather today. Have yourself a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Keep your eyes on the sky and watch out for this because it's coming, folks. Stay safe and stay warm. To all my friends in Florida who are not used to this cold blast that's going to be coming your way. Thanks for everything you do for me. I love each and every one of you, and much peace, love, and kindness to all of you. Thanks for watching.